how Miss Priya happened to you that on cutting.
And when I had the first narration only, I knew that I want to do this show. Like, this is a nice show. It will be a good show for me. It will be different for me. With each episode, her character is evolving in its own way.
When a girl is having periods, what kind of yoga, things can help?
बहुत मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड है कि लोग बोलते हैं कि योगा या वर्कआउट नहीं करना चाहिए फर्स्ट 2-3 डेज. फॉर मी पर्सनली आई थिंक अगर आप लाइट योगा करते हो, ब्रीदिंग करते हो, स्ट्रेच करते हो, इट काइंड ऑफ ईजेज योर क्रैम्प्स, योर पेन्स, एवरीथिंग. सो फाइंड व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू.
Tell me about the Mardani fan.
आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर द थर्ड पार्ट. आई थिंक ऐसे टाइप की मूवी एटलीस्ट बहुत कम बनती है जहाँ पे इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन कैरेक्टर्स को सामने रखते हैं. सो आई डेफिनेटली आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर इट एंड आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल्सो पोर्ट्रेइंग सच कैरेक्टर्स. हाय, दिस इज एबिगेल एंड यू आर वाचिंग मी ऑन फिल्मी बीट.
बहुत ही मज़ेदार शुरुआत देखिए मैंने अपने दिन की कर ली है बिकॉज मज़ेदार काम के साथ मिस प्रिया इज़ विद मी. Abigail Pandey, welcoming you to Filmy Beat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, of course, at the same time that you're doing it. Tell me how Miss Priya happened to you that on cutting.
Well, very honestly, I got a call for this show, and obviously, firstly, Balaji is so like home
Anything
for me.
for them.
Is home for me. I started with Balaji, and then they said, cutting app is coming, and there is a show that we want to talk to you about. And it's going to be a little crime thriller of sorts. And I personally have not done any show which is so like, intense crime wise or thriller types. So I was like, okay, but I need to hear what the show is, right? Because I watch a lot of crime drama. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it
I've
has
been
to be
watching
good.
recently.
Yeah, I've been watching. I think बचपन से I've been into
When
all of this.
Bridgerton came, no, so I left everything and then I watched Bridgerton last night.
Yeah, but बचपन में also used to watch all this crime patrol and
Oh
all.
my God.
Some weird reason I loved it, but anyway, so I said, it has to be. I want to hear the story and I want to see कि कैसा है, because I think आज के टाइम में अगर आप ऐसा कुछ बनाते हैं तो you have to be very confident कि your script is strong,
Yeah.
because you have to
Otherwise-
really have it in you to surprise the audience, right? So I heard it, I had a narration, and then it was a telephonic one. And when I had the first narration only, I knew that I want to do this show. Like, this is a nice show. It will be a good show for me. It will be different for me. And I love, I think with each episode, her character is evolving in its own way. So I liked that also about
You're
it.
also known for your yoga, no? That is
Yeah.
there. But how come yoga and then crime, did the amalgamation in that?
Yeah, no.
What was the easy? Maybe it was easy for you to run more than the
Yeah,
other actors.
yeah. See, you can run away faster. But I mean, yoga is something that I
Of
do.
course.
Yeah, I do for my mental sanity, and I think this, as an actor, I think you should do everything. You should at least, मतलब एक्सपीरियंस वाइज एक नया कुछ हो जाता है, अच्छा हो जाता है. सो आई वाज लाइक, या क्राइम आई हैव नॉट डन. हमेशा चुलबुली नहीं रह सकते ना आप. तो यू हैव टू डू, आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इंटेंस एंड सीरियस टाइप. सो दैट आई वाज लाइक, ओके, दिस इज द शो एंड आई रियली वांट टू डू इट.
Did you see any references? Like there was Arya, for that matter, Sushmita played.
Ooh, I loved Arya.
Hannah.
I love Sushmita
So
Sen. Yeah.
was there
she's-
any reference that you watched? Or
No,
you were
yeah.
like, I'll go naturally.
So very honestly, normally जब आप एक शो से इंस्पायर होते हो या शो,
then you have the nuances in it.
yeah, no, but you always know that अच्छा, this show is like this show, or the director sometimes tells you, which I very honestly dislike. To each their own, but मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है जब कोई मुझे as an actor आके बोलता है कि आप ये देखो, वैसे ही हमें चाहिए. क्यों?
Get the same actor then.
Yeah,
If you have the budget.
Yeah. I was like, ये क्यों? I think when you play a character, you essentially also create it with parts of your personality, parts of the role. तो फिर वो एक अच्छा कुछ निकल जाता है, कुछ natural निकल जाता है. But when you try to copy or try to do word by word, expression by expression, if you're copying somebody else, then I mean, maybe लोगों को अच्छा लगे, but for me, I think that does not work. That is like insulting for me.
But tell me, how's life otherwise? Sanam song is blasted like anything in how Dil Lagana Mana tha. मेरे को अपने exes याद आ गए हैं. I'm crying sitting at home. Tell me, did you also feel the same for your exes after listening to the song?
No,
Was
no.
that convincing for you?
Of course it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard the song. I loved it. The video is also great. As we spoke about
Yeah,
earlier,
yeah.
you'll be a fan of all the three
yes.
guys in the music video. So I think बहुत अच्छा काम किया है सबने, and बहुत ही अच्छा गाना है.
But you're also fan of the fourth one, no? Sanam.
Third one मैंने पहले ही 3 बोला ना.
I thought it's Kunal and the two brothers. Kunal is the composer and fourth one is the...
Oh, No, then 4. Obviously, obviously I would meet Sanam in with it.
I mean,
na?
wait a minute, did she just skip the guy?
नहीं. मतलब apart from चलो whatever,
हाँ.
I've always admired Sanam for his dancing and performance. I've
हाँ.
always admired it, and I think he's brilliant with it. And गाना तो भाई mind blowing है.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, so I
It is
thoroughly
on loop.
enjoyed that music
It
video.
is on the loop.
Yeah.
But then फिर you have to get out of the breakup zone, no? You sometimes बहुत ही, you know.
नहीं, I think कुछ लोग अच्छा करते हैं ब्रेकअप जोन में ही रह के.
हाँ.
Yeah. I know so many people who are like that, who like that grief. दुख में रहना, and I think that brings out the art in them. So maybe it's a good thing.
It's that, no. A lot of Punjabi singers does that. Jani
Yeah.
especially.
But हम सुनते हैं ना उनके गाने.
हाँ, वो तो
कभी बोला है कि
जानबूझ के-
अरिजीत सिंह ने इतने सैड गाने क्यों गाए हैं? सुनते हैं ना, it works. So I think no.
No, but ठीक है. I can't.
It's like I'm interviewing him. What can't you? Tell us about it.
No. I want to be very icham number wala guy.
Oh.
I listen to all that when I'm in mood of the party.
Oh.
But when you have phases, I guess.
Yeah, I तो love sad songs. Yeah, मैं तो भागते भागते भी रनिंग करती हूँ तो ये दूरियां ये सब चलता है.
Ye
Like
Duriya is also one of my favorite songs.
Yeah. तो I think
No,
whatever
I go
works.
club listening all the Sheila Ki Jawani and all that. While I'm coming back in the cab, then ये दूरियां शुरू होता है.
Yeah. वहाँ पे आप असलियत पे आ जाते हो कि ये है
Yo,
लाइफ की
boss,
असलियत.
you're alone.
ये दूरियां.
But tell me, what are the learnings that you've taken from the show? Of course, because it was the first kind of show that you've been doing. So, was it challenging for you a bit, or it was like, no, my director they were nice?
No,
and all?
everybody was nice, but I think as an actor, if you're not challenged, तो फिर मजा भी क्या ही आ रहा है ना.
हाँ.
अगर easy हो गया तो I don't think you really value it so
course,
much.
of course.
So I think in this show, the biggest challenge was shooting in live locations.
Ooh.
And I was excited for it. कि मुझे लगा ये नया है, adventure होगा.
And you
ये
feel
वो.
more heroine in live locations, no?
You don't. Okay?
Everybody is running around you.
You do not feel more heroine when there is no washroom. then you.
You
So I
feel
think,
more गरीब.
Yeah. So I think एक स्टूडियो सेटअप पे आप काफी पैम्पर्ड रहते हैं.
हाँ.
एसी चलती है हर जगह. आपको यहाँ कॉफी, यहाँ ये कोल्ड कॉफी, स्टारबक्स.
Dada is always around the
Dada's
corner.
always around, and but when you go to a live location in the outskirts of a city, and then you realize that यहाँ पे cold coffee तो नहीं आ पाएगी. Normal
Matcha
chai.
also.
हाँ, normally I'm somebody who's like I don't do dairy, I don't have milk.
But we'll
and all.
support Kachin
But वहाँ
chai
पे
because
exactly
we are talking Kachin.
वहाँ पे कुछ था नहीं तो सब पिया है मैंने. चाय,
भगवान.
कॉफी जो मिल रहा है चलेगा. दूध चलेगा. चीनी perfect. So it was like that. But I loved it. I enjoyed that. I think ऐसा भी experience होना जरूरी है.
important, हाँ.
And it really brought out a character in me.
हाँ.
When you're in that setup, actually living that setup, I think ना एक अलग से आपको समझ आती है चीजें around you. You're more familiar with the surrounding.
Yes, if I'm not wrong, it is very similar. Mardani is also almost there. Tomorrow we are getting Mardani released.
I'm excited.
And you're also doing such characters, which is very inspiring, and in the same kind of genre. Tell me, how big fan are you of Rani Mukherjee?
Oh my God, who isn't a fan? With the first Mardani, when it came, I was blown, and I loved that movie. I loved what it stood for. I loved her. I loved her performance. Everyone's performance.
You're a cop
in
in
fact.
the show.
No, I'm not. You've
You're
not
the-
seen the show.
You're the
You've not even seen the trailer of
I've
the show.
seen the
ये
trailer.
क्या research करके आए हैं?
Yeah,
जरा
I've
बताइए.
seen the trailer. Come on. I was
तो ट्रेलर
busy.
में मैं कहाँ
I was
कॉप थी
busy.
मुझे बताओ.
I was busy watching Bridgerton, baby.
ट्रेलर में कॉप है बट वो कोई
Oh,
आदमी है. Like,
okay, sorry. My
am I
apologies.
looking like?
No, but tell me about the Mardani fan.
Yeah, the Mardani.
Good headline I have. What? Arey Mardani franchisee fan, aren't you?
And I was wondering ki, where is he going with this Mardani? And then you say you're a cop, right? In this show.
I have to cut that out.
Don't. ये कट मत करना. ठीक है, ये मैं बताऊंगी सबको. No, but yeah, coming back to what we were talking about, I'm excited for the third part. I think ऐसे टाइप की मूवी at least बहुत कम बनती है जहाँ पे इतने strong women characters को सामने रखते हैं. So I definitely am excited for it, and I look forward to also portraying such characters.
Till finally be a cop someday.
Yes,
I'm
someday.
waiting.
Someday I'll be
At
a
least
cop.
not in Hindi Dharavahik. Because then the cop, Sandhya Rathi, from Diya Aur Bati Hum. बेचारी, she was a good cop. Haven't you seen that serial?
I was working that
Yeah,
time, तो
yeah.
उतना time नहीं मिलता, but obviously I know of that serial, of
Deepika
course.
was
Yeah,
playing
yeah,
it.
yeah. Oh, Deepika, yeah, of course, yeah, I know.
There was a scene at this set, remember? Deepika and the guy. A lot of church. आपको तो पता होगा sir. Of course, behind the camera. But tell me, nowadays, these young generation, of course, you've been with a guy with, I guess, एक दशक से ज़्यादा हो गया, more than a decade. How difficult and how, challenged it is. And in what sense I'm saying, because nowadays तो 3 महीने में ही लोग फुर हो जाते हैं, वो भी नहीं, ये डेटिंग एप्लीकेशंस पे ऐसे स्वाइप राइट होता है, oh you didn't like this, out.
Yeah, but अच्छा ही है, I think ना, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, क्या बुरा है अगर 3 महीने में रिलेशनशिप खत्म हो रहा है? अगर आप किसी के साथ हो और 3 महीने में आपको लग रहा है कि हम नहीं खुश रहेंगे, तो प्लीज निकलो, बेस्ट है निकलो, डोंट स्टे इन समथिंग दैट इज नॉट मेकिंग यू हैप्पी. आज अगर आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हो कि इतने साल आप कैसे रह लेते हो, कितना डिफिकल्ट है, कितना चैलेंजिंग है, ऑनेस्टली इतने साल में रही हूँ क्योंकि नहीं रहा है डिफिकल्ट और नहीं रहा है चैलेंजिंग. तो ऐसा ही कोई ढूंढो जो उससे नहीं लगे चीजें डिफिकल्ट, और अगर नहीं वर्कआउट हो रहा है तो इट्स ओके टू गो योर सेपरेट वेज, बट एक दूसरे के साथ रह के जबरदस्ती एक दूसरे का दिमाग मत खपाओ, इज व्हाट आई वुड से.
What are the things that he makes easy for you?
Life in general, when you have a partner, it's easier. You have someone to talk to. You have your personal private best friend who lives with you, and I think
when you have mood swings, who will take care of you?
Yeah, being able to be yourself without a filter, without अपने weirdest से weirdest thought आप किसी को बता पा रहे हो, I think वही एक privilege है आज के time पे. So I'm very grateful for that.
But do you feel sad for this generation? Because of course.
What sad? I love this generation.
I'm 23. I feel very sad for my generation.
Are you
people.
crazy? No. I want to say कि I think जो next generation आ रहा है, contrary, हम लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि they use terms like situationship, and एक और मुझे अभी आजकल पता चला है vacationship. Yeah, it's like a vacation ship, okay? हाँ?
चलो हाँ फिर.
हाँ तो फिर okay.
You got it?
No, we'll talk about this. But I really want to know what he's saying. But I think अच्छा है, क्योंकि I think next generation को पता है exactly कि ये चीज क्या है और ये कहाँ जा रही है, और उसके लिए एक term भी रखा है. So I think it's good. It's good to be practical. It's good to be not emotional. As I always have been saying in the last few years that I think हमारे जो generation ने Bollywood देखा है, we've seen, इतने extraordinary love stories. I think हमारे next generation ने नहीं देखा है उतना.
That's so.
So yeah, it's also kind of sad in a way, but I think it's made them more practical and more like.
मुझे लगता है ये जनरेशन कुछ कर ना पाए, लेकिन भारत की पॉपुलेशन घटाने में जरूर काम आ सकती है, क्योंकि शादियां करेंगे नहीं, बच्चे होंगे नहीं, तो
जरूरत है क्या?
भारत सरकार सपोर्ट में है, बाकी पता नहीं.
ये एडिट कर दो सरकार वरकार.
नहीं, मतलब कि इन जनरल नो, यू सी, बिकॉज़ दे आर नॉट रेडी फॉर द मैरिजेस.
Yeah, and I think it's good. आप तब भी करो कि जब आप पूरे श्योर हो कि आपको करना है, और आपको अगर बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए तो फिर करो. And if you don't want, it's fine यार. आज के टाइम पे I think all we have to focus on is ourselves and not कि बाकी सब क्या कर रहे हैं. खुद का ही लाइफ संभाल ली, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Don't you think it becomes very self-centric and very mean sometimes? Because I've seen people saying, oh, this is my business, this is what I'm doing, this is me, my life, my cycling, my yoga, my everything. If I have time, I'll meet you. That's so bad, no?
Why? I think it's you're 23 na.
Whatever.
Wait a second na. You're 23. Wait
मेरा
for.
मसला है, I want to marry tomorrow somebody.
Wait for 10 years. 10 साल बाद you like these people कि नहीं मिलना है, अच्छा है नहीं मिलो. जब जरूरत है.
She is giving me as if she's been through all of that. You are.
I'm 10 years elder than you.
That's what I'm saying. You've been with the same guy.
No, but I'm saying even with friends. अच्छा ही है कि your friends should be those people who are not meeting you every day.
खुद का घर बसे हुए लोग दूसरों को दे रहे हैं कि don't बसाओ your घर. Wow.
Not don't बसाओ, but बसाओ when बहुत कुछ अच्छा मिले. वरना it's okay. आप self sufficient हो, which is why next generation I think is better, because I think they know how to be with themselves better. At least yoga वोगा कर रहे हैं ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर it's still like cycling, it's good. You do what you want to do. ठीक है, जिसको आना है आएगा, वरना be alone. It's
But tell me, recently Sunita Govinda's wife is going through a lot. She's been mentioning everything. वो तो पुरानी जनरेशन थी, and they have had everything. Now she left this dependency के there's a husband and all that. She's like, I'm going on my YouTube full round the clock and working.
Yeah. And she should have done much earlier. I'm not saying she should have said these things much earlier. Not talking about that aspect.
Of course. But
I think, as a person, first live for yourself. It's fine. You don't have to, and I think कि एक point के बाद आप कर लेते हैं. In our country we see so many women do that कि वो जी लेते हैं दूसरों के लिए, इसके लिए, उसके लिए. एक एज पे आके सोचते हैं कि यार हमने इतना कुछ, तो मत करो. It is best that you live for yourself, live for your family. But if you don't take care of yourself only first, तो आगे जाके आपको regret ही होगा. तब ध्यान रखो एक दूसरे का जब आप पूरी तरीके से okay हो.
That is there.
So first take care of yourself, then everybody you love. That is very important.
I'll ask you some of the yoga special questions because there's a segment which I do about when she talks, you know. So you tell me when a girl is having periods, what kind of yoga, things can help if there are any?
Yeah, very honestly, there are a lot. Firstly, I think ना आज के टाइम पे हमारे पास AI है और बहुत चीज़ें हैं, YouTube है. आज के टाइम पे आपको हर टाइप का वर्कआउट मिल जाएगा. आप YouTube पे टाइप करो योगा फॉर योर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, योगा टू, यू विल गेट अ 20-25 मिनट वर्कआउट वीडियो. अगर आप खुद कर रहे हो, आप रिसर्च करो इस बारे में. तो बहुत मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड है कि लोग बोलते हैं कि योगा या वर्कआउट नहीं करना चाहिए फर्स्ट 2-3 डेज. फॉर मी पर्सनली आई थिंक अगर आप लाइट योगा करते हो, ब्रीदिंग करते हो, स्ट्रेच करते हो, इट काइंड ऑफ ईजेज योर क्रैम्प्स, योर पेन्स, एवरीथिंग. सो फाइंड व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू. Don't believe in myths without cross verifying. Everything is very easy to verify now. We have AI, we have everything. Please अपना knowledge बढ़ाओ. And योगा postures, जैसे बहुत टाइम तक मुझे किसी ने बोला था कि inversions नहीं करते हैं, you don't go upside down. And recently I got to know कि ये myth है. I said, मतलब there's so many things that are just told to you, so you believe. Don't believe everything. There's a workout for every occasion. Please find it on YouTube. Exhibition लगा है. जो करना है करो, but make sure you're moving. Movement is medicine.
What are your ways when somebody is having anxiety? Like what special yogas can be done to maintain?
For yoga you're saying. So there is this technique called box breathing that works for me. And उसमें क्या होता है कि आप inhale करते हैं 4 counts, hold करते हैं 4 count, exhale करते हैं 4 count और hold करते हैं 4 count. I think this is something that आप रोज practice करो ही करो. दैट इज समथिंग जो आप जितने भी नर्वस हो, जितने भी डरे हो, जितने भी आपको लग रहा है कि बहुत लोगों फील हाई ऑन बीपी हाई हो रहा है आपका, ये जो बॉक्स ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक है सबसे इजीएस्ट है और आपको मतलब इट विल वर्क वंडर्स फॉर योर एंजाइटी एंड नर्वसनेस. तो यू शुड रियली डू दैट.
And do we should eat anything before doing the yoga, or what are the
any workout that you do, आप 1-1.5 घंटे का गैप करो. अभी योगा क्या है, इतना जंपी नहीं है.
Of course.
So you can wait an hour and a half. But when you want to do cardio, you want to do intense, then you wait for 2.5 hours. उस पर भी डिपेंड होता है कि आपने क्या खाया है. मैं सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि प्लीज लिसन टू योर बॉडी, क्योंकि कभी कभार 2 घंटे हो जाते हैं, आपको लगता है कि वर्कआउट कर सकता हूँ, बट आपका बॉडी फुल फील कर रहा है. So you have to listen to your body and you have to understand. But as a general rule of thumb जो कहते हैं कि please 1 घंटे का गैप तो post eating and your workout has to be there.
With that, your message to your Janta, of course, they've been waiting to see more and more. What are the plans for the reality shows? Do you have anything in the pipeline?
No, I don't have anything in the pipeline, but obviously I want to do reality shows. I miss that. I want to do Big Boss. I want to do Khatro, yaar. I want to do Khatro. I would love to do Khatro. Why did you make that face for Khatro?
No, I wanted to see you more in the captive reality, rather task.
Oh, okay.
I know you're coming from yoga, so
you're into that captive reality.
Yeah, I love the Kalesh.
I also love it. I also watch Big Boss a lot.
We all love that.
Yeah. So, matlab at this point, both would be amazing to do. So definitely.
Rise and Fall, you're keen for?
Rise and Fall I couldn't watch. I want to watch. I will watch, but वो उस टाइम पे ना मैं थोड़ी बिजी चल रही थी, तो मैं कभी देख नहीं पाई. You didn't watch the trailer of the show. Don't look like up and down looks. You're a cop. Love it.
The trailer, it is wonderful.
Yeah, it is.
Because I was also missing Adi. So,
Yeah.
Adi.
Very bad cover up for not watching the trailer.
इतना बोल दिया है मुझे बेइज्जत करने के लिए.
Please, I hope ये edit ना हो.
I don't get good moments get edited. That is there. But tell me, your audience have been literally waiting now. Nach Baliye you did, of course.
Yeah.
Then there are a lot of things now in terms of the just not the fiction shows. There is Laughter Chef. There is a lot of stuff that way.
Amazing.
So what are you keen for majorly, or what else is there in the pipeline apart from just the show and all?
See, acting is first love, right? Because that is my primary job like that, and everything that happens alongside. But yeah, as I said, this show has been one of क्या बोलते हैं milestones जो बोलते हैं, because मैंने कभी thriller नहीं किया था, so I was excited to do something like this, like okay, it's different. After this, I want to do action. I think, but कुछ strong action लड़कियों का है ही नहीं show.
बॉलीवुड में कमी है.
Yeah, I wish characters like strong warrior women are written, and I would like to do something like that.
No, I want to see you with all the pistols and all.
I know,
Warrior,
right?
no.
Machine
You will
gun.
be like all in black and
Yeah, I'd be amazing, I think.
Ooh, wonderful. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
For doing this. I hope you enjoyed the conversation.
I did indeed. I hope you enjoyed this.
Of course.
I hope you don't edit this conversation.
First time the actress saying not to edit it. Because the fault is at my place.
Correct. Woohoo.
But thank you so much.
Love it. Thank you, Adi.